Powdered sugar draws ants to a baking soda mixture because they seek the sweet bait and then consume the soda along with the sugar. Powdered sugar is highly fine and clings to ant mouthparts, so small worker ants carry it back to the nest, creating rapid distribution through the colony. Baking soda reacts with the acidic contents of an ant's stomach to produce carbon dioxide gas, which disrupts digestion and can lead to death when enough is consumed. Use a ratio of about 1 part baking soda to 1 part powdered sugar, so the sweetness masks the soda taste without making the mix too gritty. Place the mixture in shallow containers or on small cards near trails and entry points and replace every 2 to 3 days or when it becomes damp or contaminated. Keep the bait out of reach of pets and children and avoid spraying insecticides nearby because chemical residues can repel ants and stop them from feeding. If you have a large infestation, supplement the baiting with habitat reduction by sealing cracks around doors and windows and removing other food sources so ants prefer the bait. The most common mistake is using ordinary granulated sugar, which ants may carry but does not adhere well, so transfer to the nest is inefficient, so switch to powdered sugar for better cling and transport. People often place the mixture in open sun or wet areas where humidity dissolves the sugar and soda before ants can eat it, so keep baits in cool, dry, shaded spots and refresh them frequently. Homeowners sometimes expect instant colony collapse after a few workers die, but that is misleading because worker mortality must reach the nest and affect brood and queens, so be patient and maintain bait stations until ant activity declines. We run bighomeprojects.com, where we help homeowners find local contractors and provide resources on pest control methods like baiting techniques. Our site also connects contractors seeking work and hosts a discussion community where we and other members share practical tips and field experiences.